What's going on, traders? So, before I get into the video, tomorrow is Friday. You know what that means? Free account giveaway. Duck race coming at you hot tomorrow. We're going to be doing the giveaway around 3:15 tomorrow. It will be for a 50K TopStep account. So make sure you're on the live stream tomorrow to be involved. If you're not on the live stream, you miss out. So be sure to come on. Yeah, and if you blew any accounts today, use coupon code Cove Trader. Save yourself 40% off. Actually, Take Profit Trader, their deal is going to expire on July 28th. So if you want 40% off with no activation fee when you get funded, use coupon code Cove Trader. So let's get into the recap today. So yeah, I mean, what's cool now is you could just see my numbers right here. These two are evals. So this eval got smoked, and this one is about 1,000 away from going over. I lost this funded account today. Actually, this funded account has been a pain in my you know what for a while. I've gotten it super high, and then I just couldn't do anything with it. It was it just kept, I don't know. I think I got it up to 51,000. Here, I'll tell you right now what I got it up to. I basically got it up to 51,000, almost 500. And yeah, everything that I did basically went the opposite way in it every time I took a trade in this account. So it was just sometimes you get a cursed account, and that's one that was. It was just cursed from not the beginning, but somewhere along the journey. It just couldn't do any right. I even mistakenly bought in there a couple times. It was crazy. But yeah, so that's that. This account is basically $1,500 away from funded. I actually didn't even trade in that today, which is weird. This account is even closer, about $1,400. This I made almost $1,200 in my funded account in this one. And then a couple of the other ones were just small gains. This one is getting close to a payout. This one is not close. Still got some work to do. And this one, yeah, is marching on up there. And then my newest one is this one, and took a little bit of hit today, but that's okay. I also got my TopStep eval up 313, which is nice. And then Take Profit Trader, I got my this one that's up 247 is actually a funded account. So that one keeps marching up, which is nice. And then this is my 150K eval, which is down a little bit, but that's not bad for a 150K account. I need about $2,800 more dollars, and I will be funded on the 150K. I also have a Rhythmic Trader Pro Apex funded account, was up $55, and that one's at $51,264. My Bullnox eval account I traded today. It was up 230, and that one's at $51,749. So I have two accounts that I can definitely get over tomorrow. And that's where I'm at with my accounts. The day was crazy today, guys. The day was crazy. I wasn't around the majority of the morning. I missed this whole setup, but we blew through the pivot point, so I probably would have played that, and luckily I wasn't around, so I missed a big loss. I probably would have played this 200 rejection, but yeah, didn't play that. As you can see, I played the pivot point bounce later on in the day, and we made money, which is always good. Let me flip to the one. Yeah, I mean, we got close to this pivot point, but I didn't take that at all. I wanted to signify how great of a setup this was this morning. Forget about catching the bottom. When we bounced off the bottom, you could see it came back, retested the 200. That's great for a bounce. And then you could see on top of that, you flagged into the 34, which is awesome. Great setup. And sure enough, it hit the 34 and bounced hard. Um, those are two, retests and then bounces that I would have definitely have taken. Um, yeah, those are really good setups there. The fact also that we got to about 19, almost 400 round numbers are definitely resistance points. I didn't take that though. I definitely took the 200 bounce right here. Um, but yeah, I think overall price action was pretty good today. Big movement, big movement. I couldn't stress that enough on how much movement there was today. But yeah, overall a good day. I mean, net, I'm up in my PA accounts. Because what is that? Minus 900. This 1,000 would be up to 284. Call it 300, 450, and then my other 55. So I'm up about $500 in my PA accounts today. So I just keep on. That's $500 there, and then tack on another 250. So I'm up 750 on my PA accounts today. So that's a pretty good day. Um, we caught this at the end. That was a pretty good move up. So I do not. Let me go up to the daily now. These are just some scripts I've been playing with. So when you go up to the daily, not really what you want to be seeing is continuation to the downside. When you go to the Qs, I'm still looking for 450 to really 445 would be a really good spot. That's kind of what I was looking for, 450 to 445. I've been looking for that since yesterday. And we're just getting there super fast. So I don't know if we're going to get there on this push down because things are super oversold. Um, what I don't like, or what I do like to the downside, is the fact that we opened down, went green, but then couldn't hold it, and then basically finished at almost low of day, which shows big weakness. Obviously, we have earnings coming up, and they can obviously change everything. I mean, earnings can change everything. Um, but without earnings, I can kind of see us bouncing just a little bit and then continue to trend down into this zone. This zone, I thought, would have been a great buy opportunity, but we get bad earnings. I mean, we get some misses, like Amazon miss or Facebook miss. I mean, we might go down to 440, or all the way down to fill this gap at 427. I think 427 is the last gap to be filled. Um, I'll put a little alert there, but yeah, I mean that would probably be, I have money on the side to buy shares or like long-term stock options. I would start me personally, not anybody else, but I'm going to start adding to positions if we get into this 450, 445 range. I'll probably start adding like a third of what I want, and then maybe take another third if we get down to 427, or maybe get like 3/4 full and then save that last 25%. Either add to my winnings on the way up, or save that last 25% if we go even lower. But yeah, I'll probably be 75% in if we get to 427. I think that from the top is about 20% down. No, 20% down is actually 400, but yeah, I mean we're approaching 10% down in 2 weeks, so starting to get oversold. But that's that's kind of my game plan on options and stocks. Prop firms is obviously through the day, so it is what it is. Hopefully, I see you on the stream tomorrow. Free giveaway. Don't miss out.